Hey guys, it's Winnie from Stakecito, and today I am excited to introduce you to Initia's Incentivized Public Testnet, also known as the Initiation. I am 4 days late, and I am so sorry, but my computer died. I had to buy a new computer. I had actually recorded this video and was ready to publish it moments before that happened. So here we are anyways, and yeah, let's dive right in without further delay. So, like I said, Initia's public testnet is live at initia.xyz. The objective of this project is to eliminate fragmentation and complexity in multi-chain systems by creating an interwoven architecture of rollups, virtual machines, users, liquidity, and community. So, key features of the initiation include an 8-week adventure where users can explore Initia, provide feedback, and earn rewards. And they can also join the militia to interact with Initia's minitias, earn experience points, and collect NFT cards. So some activities on the testnet include building a Jennie. So basically, you complete tasks on Initia to collect NFT cards, and then you evolve your Jennie by feeding the Jennie weekly. And the other activity is basically interacting with Initia's minitias, and they have revealed 6 minitias that will be available for this testnet. So how to get involved in this testnet? First of all, you want to install and set up the Initia wallet. So here's how to set up a wallet. First of all, you're going to want to install the Initia wallet extension. Visit the Chrome web store and search for Initia wallet. You then want to click Add to Chrome to install the extension. Once you've installed the extension, you want to create a new wallet. Basically, open the Initia wallet extension, choose to create a new wallet using either a social login or a seed phrase, and then just follow the prompts to complete the setup. So for me, like I said, I already made this video. I already have a wallet. So what I'm going to be doing is actually just importing my wallet with the seed phrase that I wrote down before my computer died. Anyways, though, congratulations, your Initia wallet is now set up. So next, you're going to want to get testnet tokens from Initia's Faucet. To do this, you're going to need to visit the Initia Faucet at faucet.testnet.initia.xyz. And then, yeah, simply copy and paste your wallet address to request testnet tokens. You then want to check your balance by opening your Initia wallet to see if the testnet tokens have arrived. So next, we're gonna play around on Initia's app. And this is essentially where you can swap, stake, and interact with various features on Initia. So for us, we're going to start with the swap function. You're going to choose the amount of init to swap and the token to swap to. So for me, I used USDC. After that, you're going to confirm the swap details and then sign the transaction in your wallet. And finally, you're going to click on Go to My page at the bottom of your screen to see the swapped assets on the Initia app. So the other activity we're going to do is we're going to stake some tokens. So first, you're going to want to select a pool. And then you're going to want to select the amount and the validator. So decide how much you want to stake and which validator you want to delegate to. After that, you confirm and sign the transaction. You can then visit the My Page screen to see your staking rewards. And if you're curious about, the liquidity pools and the data on Initia, you can explore all of this on the Initia dashboard. So yeah, and you can also participate in governance by creating, reviewing, and voting on proposals on Initia. I think I had already voted on one before, so today I voted on the Jennie one. Have you built a Jennie or something like that? So another activity that the team wants testers to take on is creating an Initia username. This essentially makes it easier for people to remember you on the blockchain. Again, I had done this before, so I secured the name Winfred, but for this video, we will use the name Winfred K. Mandela. So basically, you want to visit the username page, which is usernames.testnet.initia.xyz. You then want to connect and use the Initia wallet or other methods to log in. And then, yeah, it's super simple. Claim and register a username. Once you've claimed and registered a username, you want to sign the transaction to confirm it. Once you've confirmed the transaction, if you look to the top right of your screen, you will see that your new username will be displayed in your wallet and can replace your address for transfers. So yeah, and then you can explore Initia Scan, which essentially provides real-time data on transactions and blocks. Key features of Initia Scan include an overview of the current status of Initia and its minutias, a list of all transactions sorted by recency, a list of all blocks on Initia and minutias, governance proposals, so a list of all governance proposals and their status. You can look up validators. You'll see that Stakecito is actually participating in the testnet, but is currently not in the active set. So you can see all this information on the blockchain on Initia Scan. And yeah, so here you can see an opportunity to grow your Jennie, the dog. Say hello to baby Jennie. So now you can claim some XP for having done that. And you're going to want to feed the Jennie. So there's just like a whole bunch of stuff here you can do. You can play around. I find that because the testnet is a bit slow, it's a bit unbearable to actually try and do these things. But I made this just to kind of walk you through the different things that you can do with the Jennie, the different kinds of foods that you can feed her to grow her. And you can earn more XP by interacting with the different applications on Initia. So yeah, they have Blackwing, modular blockchain for margin trading. So Blockwing is not available for testing right now, but Tucana is. So there are decks, they've got perps, and you can actually play around here. You can request coins. I tried to, but because I had already requested earlier, they did not allow me to get more tokens, but you can if you haven't requested tokens recently. Yeah, so just play around with the features. So I did some swaps to build my XP. And then I tried to create a pool. It was already available, so added liquidity to those pools and just essentially tested out the features of the DEX. And yeah, that's Tucana in a nutshell. And there's other applications, but they are, like I said, not available for testing at this moment. Milky Way is another one that's coming up soon, but not available. And there's Own the Planet, a gamified social experiment. So yeah, that's essentially the testnet. It's pretty easy. Basically, you can earn Initia experience. There's a bunch of different things that you can do. You can interact with the different minutias, and then you can earn more XP by entering someone else's referral code, following Initia on Twitter, joining their Discord. You can claim XP every couple hours. So the next distribution is in 16 hours. And then you can earn more XP on their different applications. But yeah, so that's pretty much the gist of the testnet. So yeah, happy testnetting.